Before we go into the routine, first I will show you how to do the restoration itself. So this is the tone card. Okay, this tone card. What you're gonna do, you just put this tone card, okay, in this position. Okay, this position. This is the position where you restore the card. Okay, so when you put the tone card, okay, in this position, all you do, you just leave the next card, okay, with your thumb, and all you do, you just push this card with your thumb like this. Okay, so here you just put in this position. Okay, so your thumb, remember, just leave the next card like this. Okay, and all you do, you just push the next card like this, and of course you do this with the motion. Okay, so here put like this. Okay, remember, the thumb leave, okay, the next card, and you do this motion, okay, from side to side. Okay, so here when you, okay, wave the deck or wave your hand, you just push the next card with your thumb like this. Okay, so one more time, show here, put here. Okay, just leave. Okay, show like this, remember, wave and just push like this. Okay, and after that, okay, you are in this position. Okay, so you grab. Okay, after that you just grab, push, okay, the tone card, and then you just reach out the next card. Okay, and showing like this. So one more time. Okay, showing the tone card. Okay, put it like this, remember, your thumb feel, okay, the next card, just wave and just push the next card like this. Okay, and then you grab, okay, you just push it. Okay, push the tone card and just reach the next card as you show as the final card. Okay, so that's how to do the restoration. So for the full routine, okay, you have a card selected. Okay, I like to do it in this face-up position. So you ask your spectator to choose any card. Okay, example, your spectator choose the ace of diamond. Okay, but they can choose any card. Okay, example, they choose the ace of diamond. All you do, you just cut in the selection. In this case, ace of diamonds, and all you can do, okay, you just leave, double leave. Okay, this is double. Okay, with the next card, you just, okay, hold with your pinky, and the action, when you turn the deck facing you, you just switch the selection, okay, with the next card. Okay, here just leave, and you just showing like this. Okay, but this is not the selection. Okay, this is the selection. Okay, so what you're gonna do, okay, just hold with your pinky break. Okay, insert your point, and you just, okay, in the action, you tilt the deck facing you, you just take the next card and showing like this. So you switch the selection. Okay, so one more time. Okay, here, okay, showing the selection, ace of diamonds, come and switch it. Okay, and after that you just rip or tear the card. Okay, no matter what, you can tear here or the other side, no matter what. Okay, you just tear the corner like this and showing like this. Okay, and then you put this corner maybe on your pocket and you just concentrate. Okay, remember, okay, just pretend position like this. Okay, because this is the selection, put in this position. Okay, and just do the restoration. Remember, just leave the next card, in this case the selection. Remember, wave and just do the restoration like this. So one more time. Okay, remember, put in this position. Okay, just leave the next card, the selection, wave and do the restoration. Okay, come, push and take out the final card, and you can show cleanly the selection right now is full restoration. After that, you just lower your hand and give the final card for examination.